Free is the person who lives as he wishes and cannot be coerced, impeded, or compelled, whose impulses cannot be thwarted, who always gets what he desires and never has to experience what he would rather avoid. Now, who would want to go through life ignorant of how to achieve this? Of course, no one. Who wants to live with delusion and prejudice, being unjust, undisciplined, mean, and ungrateful? No one. No bad person, then, lives in the way he wants, and no bad man is free. Who wants to live life experiencing sadness, envy, and pity, being frustrated in their desires and liable to experience what they want to avoid? No one. So, can we find any bad person who is without sadness, fear, frustration, or misfortune? Of course we cannot. No more, then, can we find one who is free.